We can generate tables from a pivot table. How we do this is we double click on a specific section of a pivot table, which will automatically generate a listing. So let's look at an example. Here in this blue data, we have a full employee listing for different departments, and it includes various information such as job title, salary, nationality, etc. If I create a pivot table of this data by opening up the pivot table wizard, I want to create a pivot table based on department. So I select department in my row and I select department in my value. Here is my pivot table. We can see here this gives us a count of the numbers working in each department. But if I wanted to generate a listing of everybody who worked in Abbas, I would simply double click the pivot table where it says Abbas, and then in a new tab this would automatically generate a new table with all the information for people who work in Abbas. Likewise, if I want to generate the same listing for people who worked in HR, instantly then in a new tab I have a listing which includes all the information for the personnel who work in HR.